and welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how to blur a background and also create an outline of any image. So let's get started. First we have to go to select and subject, and Photoshop is gonna generate outline for me. We have to wait for a few seconds. Selection is done. Now we have to choose the lasso tool from here, and add selection we have to press a shift from keyboard and add a selection. Oops, sorry, shift, selection add हो गया, and we have to minus selection, so press alt, lasso tool, select very carefully, fit on a screen. We have to create a duplicate layer from there, and add a mask. Now right click, blending option, select stroke from here, and see white outline. You can change color from here, red, blue, but I choose white. And you can change the size from here, 8, 10. I think 10 is perfect, so okay. And if you want to blur a background, then select a background from here, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and change adjustment from here. Okay, I hope you find this tutorial very helpful. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.